want to get kisses?
Try it again.
Do you want to get kisses? I bet if you hit that button, Layla would come give you a kiss.
Oh, it says Mama gives me kisses, but I bet Layla would give you kisses.
Get it, baby.
Tough decision.
It is a tough decision. What do I want? What do I want? Do I want to be all done? Do I want bouncing? Do I want a song? Do I want kisses? What do I want?
You gotta push.
I know. She's like, isn't it enough for me to just put my hand there?
Push.
Mama, give me kisses.
You want Mama or Layla? Let's have Layla give you kisses. Because Mama's videotaping.
Layla. Oh, Layla gave you a kiss. Your eyes went, woo.
Get some more. Do some more stuff.
Yeah, these are a little harder than your other switches. You've got to get used to it.
Good looking.
Oh, it's too bad that that doesn't do it.
Yeah, I see.
You're looking at Layla.
There she is. Yeah, it's
You
pretty
can talk
cool.
to Layla. Tell Layla what you want. Oh.
Get it. Push.
Here, I'll help you.
Let's sing a song.
Let's go.
Sing a song. Okay, what do you want to sing this time? You could sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. You want to do that? Okay, ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Yay! Thanks, Layla. You told Layla what you wanted. And you
Yeah.
got it.
Good job.
Okay, she's just like the wheels are spinning, you know. Stop scooting yourself forward.
He's like, I'm pushing like.
Okay,
Okay.
let's bounce. We gotta back up a little bit. Okay, here we go. Bounce, 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 bounce.
Yay!
She's doing what she was doing on your lap. She's scooting her butt forward, so she's going lower and lower and lower. You're avoiding the all done one. I don't know if that's on purpose or not, but
What are you looking again?
clearly avoiding it.
Isn't it so great you have choices?
Couldn't get those arms further away from that toy though. You gotta get. Oh, who's that?
Oh, hi, honey. I'm watching.
Where'd those little eyes go? Hi, beautiful. Can you push the button? Can you get it?
I wonder what you want to do.
5. I gave you 5.
Pretty much
Stare into that camera.
stare right into the camera.
Can you remember you have all done if you want?
All done.
You have all done if you want.
It's there.
Are you all done?
If you're ready to lay down and be all done, that's how you can tell us. Otherwise, you've got bounce. Oh, not pretty. Or sing a song. Or get kisses.
There you go.
There we go. I wonder what you want to do. Can't wait to find out.
She's focusing on the blankie now.
Yeah.
You have to go through her choices again.
Okay. All done. That's right. Or bounce. Or sing a song. Or give me kisses. Alright. So what do you think?
You didn't look first.
I'm just going by feel.
All the way over here is the red. All done. The orange one.
Get it, baby.
You looking at that one? She's still looking at it?
I'm actually looking between that one and kisses.
You're sure trying to decide, huh?
You see this little hand twitching out. Yes, I do. Jesus. Just get all frustrated.
I am done.
You were kind of acting like you're.
listening.
You were kind of acting like you're all done, but you are not telling anybody that you're all done. Your body's telling you that you're all done. Yeah.
Wait, tell Kathy.
Here.
I'll help you. We'll tell Kathy. Kathy.
I'm all done.
Oh, are you all done? You ready to be all done?
I'm all done.
Okay.
Oh,
Nice.